No, can you do the
Yeah,
circuit diagram once again?
structure diagram once again. Okay, I'll redo that once again. We'll start with it. Am I audible, boys?
What is free and bounded charges in a conductor?
What is
And free and bounded charges.
bounded charges? But see, only the valence electron will be moving around. Even the electric field is capable of making the electrons to move in a particular direction. So the rest of the electrons in the other orbitals are still bonded to the nucleus. Fine. We'll start with the derivation once again. Cells connected in parallel. So we had two cells of EMF E1, internal resistance R1, and EMF E2, internal resistance R2, connected in parallel. Yesterday we were doing this, right, boys? So what was the current? What was the total current flowing through the circuit? I is the total current. It branches as I1 and I2, right? So in parallel connection, what remains a constant? In parallel connection, what remains a constant, boys?
Potential difference.
And potential.
Potential difference
Terminal
across the
potential.
cell should remain a constant. Okay, fine. Now what is the general formula we need to apply? What is the general formula? V is equal to E minus I into R. Is that correct, boys? This is your general formula. Okay. Now, when we apply the general formula for the cell 1, Samuel, I need to call. Okay, fine. Siddharth is also here. Shamshul, what is that, boys? V becomes equal to, for the first cell, it is E1 minus I1 R1. Is that correct? Okay. So now get me an equation for I1. So I1 R1 will be equal to E1 minus V. So what is I1? I1 is E1 minus V divided by R1. Right. Next, same way shall we apply the same rule for the next cell. V is equal to E2 minus I into R2. So what is I2? I2 will be E2 minus V divided by R2. So do you have both the equations right now? You have I1, you have I2. Dheeraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dheeraj. Now let me know what is I1 plus I2. What should I write? E1 minus V divided by R1 plus E2 minus V divided by R2. Can we expand this? Expand the first quantity. Dheeraj, what is that? E1 divided by, boys, speak up. E1 divided by Dheeraj, Derek,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Derek, I just want to expand the first expression, sorry, the first unit, E1 by R1 minus V divided by, answer boy, V divided by,
R1.
yes, correct. Next,
1 plus E2 by R2 minus V by
yes,
R2.
correct. E2 by R2 minus V by R2. Can
And then
we
we take,
combine E1
yes,
and
ma'am.
E2? Okay,
Now we can take common out.
okay, fine. So let me combine E1,
E1 R2 plus E2. Ma'am, E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2
okay,
minus
E1 by R1, wait, one second, E2 by R2. Okay, tell me next step, which is common.
minus V into 1 by
Okay,
R1 plus 1 by R2.
correct.
And then
Then
we
what
take
is the
LCM.
hesitating? Okay, wait. Now you are deriving along with me. Okay. So can we take the LCM over here, the first term?
Yes, ma'am. E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 R2.
E1 R2 plus E2.
R1 by R1 R2.
Okay, R1
Mi-
R2.
Minus
Good.
V into
Fine.
R2 plus R1 by R1 R2.
Very good. This is what we need, boy. So what is this? Is this the total current, boy? Is this the total current?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's a total current, right? Thank you. Is it Dheeraj or was it Derek? Was it Dheeraj or Derek? Derek. Thank you, Derek. Have others copied? Have you all copied, boys? So let us draw an equivalent circuit. Let us combine these two cells as a single cell, right? Let us combine these two cells as a single cell and let us find what is the total current flowing in the circuit for the equivalent circuit. Austin is there, right? Shall I move on? Shall I go for the next slide, boys? Okay. Shall I go for the next slide? Now, let us draw an equivalent circuit. Equivalent circuit. Because we are combining both the cells as a single cell. So it is E equivalent. It has an internal resistance, R equivalent. The current flowing through it is I. Okay. Then V becomes equal to Austin. What should I write for V? V is equal to Austin.
Ma'am, E equivalent minus I R equivalent.
E equivalent minus I into R
R
equivalent.
equivalent. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Find equation 2. Now compare equation 1 and 2. Kritya, compare equation 1 and 2. Because left hand sides are the same. Is that correct, boys? Is that, sorry, boys. I have to go one step ahead here. Sorry. I need to go one step here, sir. Can you find an expression for I? Boys, can you find an expression for I? Yeah. What is the expression for I over here, boys?
Ma'am, I is equal to E equivalent minus V by R equivalent.
It's okay. This is enough. This is enough. What was equation 1? What was equation 1? I is equal to, what was equation 1? E1, okay, E1 R2, E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 or R1? Okay, fine.
Ma'am, it's R1 into R2.
Wait, boys. Let me know what is I. E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 R2 minus V into, okay, that will take the LCM, R1 plus R2 divided by R1 R2. This is what we had. Is that correct, boys? What happened? The second equation, let it be as it is. This one? This one you are talking about? 1 second, boys. What are you trying to say? This one. Is this? No, I'm just putting it as. Fine. Now get me an boy, try to solve this equation. Get me an equation in V. I want you to solve this particular equation. I'll give you a few minutes. Just get me an expression for V. You have to write. Yes, right. Yeah. I need you to solve this. Get me an equation in I. Sorry, get me an expression for V. Surya is here? Surya is in the class? Okay. Surya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I want you to get me an expression for V. We'll do this, boys. So how will I do this? V into R1 plus R2 divided by R1 R2 must be equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 R2 minus I. Is that correct? Is that correct, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what is V now? Just let me know what is V. Solve. I'll take this quantity to the other side. So V is equal to E1 R1, sorry, E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 R2 into R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Is that clear? Which quantity I have taken it to the other side? Then minus I into R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Is that anyone finding it difficult? Is that anyone who is finding it difficult, boys?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So which are the quantities which are getting right? So V becomes equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2 minus I into R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Mark this as equation 3. Is that fine?
Ma'am, which is equation 1?
This is equation 3. The previous one was 2. Now you have to compare equation 2 and 3. right? Shall I go for the next slide?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the equation which you wrote about the equation 3, I didn't understand that.
This one. Boys,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have to.
The V is equal to E1 R2,
Ah.
that one. You understand?
This one, right, boys? Whatever we have, this was the quantity. This will go as the reciprocal because I have to divide the right hand side by this quantity, R1
Ma'am,
plus
ma'am, are
R2.
you writing something?
What happened? Should I redo that? See, this quantity, whichever I am highlighting.
Can you redo it once?
Okay. So V becomes equal to, sorry. V becomes equal to, what is left here, right hand side, E1 R1, sorry, E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 R2. Now this has to be multiplied by this quantity, but when it goes to the other side, or else I'll write this way. You're finding it difficult. R1 plus R2 divided by R1 R2. Is that fine now? Is that fine, boys?
Yes.
Because I'm dividing. Minus, okay, fine. I divided by R1 plus R2 divided by R1 R2. Now we'll take it to the numerator. Is it fine right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I go for the next slide? Or should I? Or should I?
After comparing a C equivalent equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2.
Do about
Ma'am, your voice is
Ma'am,
lagging.
your voice is breaking.
Have you all go for the next?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
We can't hear you clearly.
Equal one R.
Ma'am, ma'am,
What? Plus so Sherry. Fine. Are you able to tune now? Are you?
No, ma'am, still breaking.
Here? Still,
Ma'am, your
no.
voice is breaking, ma'am.
Are you tagging? 1 second, boys. Then in that case, that Bluetooth is up. Let me. Your class. No, 12B, again, there is an issue. 1 second, boys. Is this fine now? Are you able to see the slide right now, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, now
Can you hear?
I can.
Now it's fine. Okay. Anyway, I'll just keep this. Now we'll solve this. Now we have to compare this equation 3 with equation 2. So compare equation 3 with equation 2. Comparing equation 3 with 2. In that case, what is E equivalent?
Ma'am,
E1
E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus
R1 plus R. Then what is R equivalent? R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Shall I write equation 2 over here, boys? What was equation 2? E equivalent minus I into R equivalent. So this is over here. And this is E equivalent. Is that fine? That's it. Is this fine, boys?
yes, ma'am.
Up it down. If you have completed, we'll try to solve numerical right now.
Period gets over in 1 minute.
Ma'am, is this there for PT1?
Cells connected in series and parallel are not there, boys. So what we'll do is, once again, we will, after completing this, once again, we'll recheck what is being done, right? What is, anyway, any of these topics left behind here and there, we'll just check and we'll complete it. Next week, we'll do that. So once again, I'll check, go back to the portions, we'll recheck everything. Fine, boys. Boys, please do answer. You people are not answering. What is this 12B?